In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chart templates to save time in TradingView. Starting off, it's important to remember that having a consistent setup can greatly enhance your efficiency, especially when analyzing the financial markets. To get things rolling, let's first focus on setting up your chart layout with your preferred indicators and settings. Customizing your chart to fit your style allows for a seamless trading experience. It's like setting up a workspace that caters to all your needs, making sure everything you frequently use is right there at your fingertips. Now that you've got your chart layout set up just the way you like it, let's move on to the top menu bar. Here, you'll find an icon that looks like 4 small boxes. This is the indicator template icon, your gateway to saving precious time with templates. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, which will be the tool you frequently use to manage your templates. It's conveniently placed at the top, ensuring that it's always within easy reach. Once you've accessed the indicator template menu, the next step is pivotal. Look for the option that says Save Indicator Template and give it a click. This is where you begin to lock in all the settings and personalizations you've applied to your chart. Saving an indicator template is almost like bookmarking a favorite piece of work. You can return to it with just a click whenever you need it, without having to recreate it from scratch each time. After clicking to save the template, you will be prompted to give your template a name. It's important to choose a name that makes sense and is easy to remember, because this will help you quickly identify it later on. Whether it's daily analysis layout or crypto trade settings, a descriptive name can make a world of difference in recognizing exactly what you're working with. Once you've chosen a name, simply click Save to confirm. The real magic of using templates happens when you apply them. To use your saved template in the future, simply open any chart within TradingView, head back to that familiar 4-box icon at the top of the screen, and this time, instead of saving, you will select your newly saved template from the list. This instantly applies all your preferred settings and indicators to the current chart, effectively cutting down time spent on manual setup. And there you have it, the simple yet powerful process of setting up and utilizing chart templates on TradingView. Incorporating this practice into your trading habits can streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus more on market analysis rather than repetitive setup tasks. So get started today and watch as your trading experience becomes smoother and more efficient.